Hey everyone, welcome back to Anjan's Tech Treasures. Today we're diving into an exciting piece of tech, the GoPro HERO10 Black. Whether you're an action junkie or just looking to capture high quality footage, this camera has some serious upgrades to talk about. So let's jump in and see what makes the HERO10 Black a game changer. First off, the HERO10 Black is not just an action camera, it's a powerhouse packed with features. With a 5.3K video resolution at 60fps and 23MP photos, you're in for stunningly high quality footage and images. The design remains sleek and durable. It's waterproof up to 33 feet and built tough to withstand harsh conditions. Plus, it's equipped with a new water shedding lens cover that reduces lens flare and helps maintain image clarity in wet conditions. Now let's talk performance. The HERO10 Black is powered by the revolutionary GP2 processor. What does that mean for you? Faster operation, smoother performance and responsive touch controls. This chip boosts frame rates, making your videos incredibly smooth and clear. You'll notice a difference, especially in high motion scenarios. When it comes to quality, the HERO10 Black doesn't disappoint. With its 23MP camera, you can capture crisp, high-resolution photos. And the 5.3K video at 60fps, absolutely stunning. The camera also supports 8x slow-mo at 2.7K, allowing you to slow down your adventures and capture every detail. One of the standout features is HyperSmooth 4.0. This advanced stabilization tech ensures that your footage remains steady and smooth, even in the most intense situations. You can also fine-tune stabilization settings to get the perfect balance between smoothness and performance. The HERO10 Black is compatible with over 30 accessories, giving you tons of options to customize your setup. Whether you're mounting it on a helmet, a drone or a tripod, you'll find an accessory to fit your needs. Lastly, the HERO10 Black comes with a 1-year international warranty, plus an additional 1-year extended warranty for India, provided you register on the GoPro website. This is a great deal to ensure your investment is protected. So there you have it. The GoPro HERO10 Black is an impressive upgrade with its powerful GP2 processor, stunning video and photo quality, and top-notch stabilization. If you're looking for a durable and high-performance action camera, the HERO10 Black is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop your comments below if you have any questions about the HERO10 Black. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.